Hi, today I want to tell you how to use it in English. So first of all, we use it when we talk about an object. For example, I have a cup. It is big and yellow. And I don't need to repeat a cup or the cup many times because I can use it to avoid repeating of the word a cup. Also, we can use it to talk about animals. The example, I saw a cat outdoor. It was carrying a mouse. But at the same time, if you speak about your pet, it's possible to say he or she. I can say, I have a dog, he is friendly, because I know that it's Richard, it's a boy, and I can say he talking about him. So if you know the gender of your pet or your friend's pet, you can use he or she, it's absolutely okay. And people sometimes call a baby it. You know, when it's wrapped up in diapers and blankets and it's bald, it's okay to ask, is it he or she? Yeah, because it's difficult to define gender. Moreover, you can use it talking about situations or ideas. You have a party, it's great. It sounds good. Two more moments. The first, we can use it talking about the weather. It's rainy, it's windy, it's sunny, it's snowy. Yeah, so you use it is and then you describe. We can use it when we talk about things that contain people. Usually it's ships or countries. So I can say a phrase, Croatia and her neighbors. Yeah, so I use her, talking about a country as about her. So it's also okay to use it. To sum up, we use it to talk about an object, an animal or a baby when you don't know the gender, a situation or an idea, weather, and things that contain people, usually it's ships or countries. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends who learn English. See you!